Line 1. Public boolean is valid, string input. This method checks if the input string of brackets is valid. Line 2. Char, brackets equals input dot to char array. Convert the input string into a character array. Line 3. Stack character s equals new stack. Create a stack to keep track of opening brackets. Line 4. For int I equals 0, I brackets dot length, I++. Loop through each character in the array. Line 5. Char c equals brackets, I. Store the current character in variable c. Line 6. If c equals equals, c equals equals, c equals equals. If the character is an opening bracket. Line 7. s.push, c. Push it onto the stack. Line 8. Else. If it's a closing bracket, execute the following. Line 9. If s.is empty, return false. If the stack is empty, return false, there's no matching open bracket. Line 10. Char top equals s.peak. Peak at the top element of the stack. Line 11. If top equals equals, and c equals equals. If the top is an opening parenthesis and the current is a closing one. Line 12. s.pop. Pop the opening parenthesis from the stack. Line 13. Else if top equals equals, and c equals equals. Else if the top is a curly brace and matches the closing one. Line 14. s.pop. Pop it off the stack. Line 15. Else if top equals equals, and c equals equals. Else if it's a square bracket match. Line 16. s.pop. Pop it as well. Line 17. Else. If none of the conditions match. Line 18. Return false. The brackets are mismatched, return false. Line 19. Close the inner else block. Line 20. Close the outer else block. Line 21. Close the for loop. Line 22. Return s.is empty. If the stack is empty at the end, the string is valid. Line 23. Close the method.